Hi, it's Susan here. I'm talking to you today about the talking about the cash flow boost, the cash flow assistance from the government. So in my previous video, I talked about small business entrepreneurs who their PYG is under 20,000. They're gonna get their $20,000 boost. So let's say you're a bigger business. You've got employees working for you. You're paying your PYG withholding, which is the tax on the wages, monthly, and your PYG withholding is actually over 20 grand. Now, we've been promised by the government that this cash flow assistance is going to be up to a total of 100,000, from 20,000 to a total of 100,000 for the next 6 months. And how you will get it if you were a bigger size business with employees, and let's assume that your PYG withholding is actually $50,000. So let's do some calculations and see how that will work. So let's assume that you're a monthly lodger and your PAYG withholding, which is the tax on the wages, is, let's say, $10,000 per month. Now, if you are lodging your BAS on time, you would have already lodged your January IAS and February IAS, and you're gonna lodge your March BAS, which includes the PYG for the month of March all together, and the due date for them is 26th of May. Now, when you come to work out your March BAS, in your March BAS, you will get your the first lot of the first boost for this credit that you will get. In your March BAS, how they will work out what credit they will give you, it will be 3 times your normal monthly PAYG. So let's assume your March month PAYG wages tax was 10,000. Your credit will be times 3. Oh, sorry, my apologies. So that will be $30,000. Your credit against your BAS is going to be 30,000. So let me give you an example. If your net GST for the quarter of the month is going to be $10,000, GST collected minus GST paid, you're going to end up paying 10 grand in GST for that quarter. But your March is $10,000 PAYG normally, but you're going to get a credit of 30,000 against the PAYG for the month of March. So 20 minus 30, you're going to get a $10,000 credit. If you don't owe anything on your BAS, that means that you will get a cash refund. Assuming you don't need to pay company tax, and you can actually bring that to zero. You can get a tax refund, a cash refund in your BAS, and the money will be deposited in your bank account post 28th of April, assuming that you lodge your BAS for March. That's it for me. That means cash in your bank account. That's it for me on the PYG cash flow assistance for medium-sized businesses seeking to get some relief from the government stimulus. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.